they're migrating. They're coming from South Florida, you know, the Keys, and they're heading towards Louisiana. So when we get a south or southeast wind, they get up on top to let the wind push them. The world record is 135 pounds, 9 ounces. There's a cobia hanging over the bar at Harbor Docks. It was caught out of Destin. It was 137 pounds, but it didn't count because 2 people handled the rod.
All right, we're not having any luck with the fish because of the dirty water. So I don't really know what we're gonna do, and we've also got some fog that's coming in over the horizon that we can see that's gonna just compound the issue even more. So we're hoping we can catch some fish, but it's not looking too good right now. All right, so we just spotted 2 fish, and we've been circling around for the past 10-15 minutes to try to find them again. And the water's just so dirty that it's hard. You can't really see them. So we know the general vicinity where they are, but we can't find them again. So I fear it's going to be like this all day.
We're just having fun now. Building the numbers.
We got some meat. Let's go cook it. We navigate these seas looking for the fish that keep us alive, basically.
So you're like literally the old man in the sea.
Yeah, essentially, I mean, that's what this is, a modern day old man in the sea. And I guess, David, in that sense, you're the boy.